Today we'll start exercise 2.4 of grade 7. So let's start with first question. This is, first I'm writing here, find. First part is 12 divided by 3 upon 4. So today I will tell you how to divide two numbers when these are given in this form. So what will you do? Always keep remember that first number you will write as it is. Divide will become multiply, and the number which is given after division sign or division symbol, we will write the reciprocal of that number. So what is reciprocal? Reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse of the number, and simply you can understand this that in when we are going to write the reciprocal of any number, the denominator you will write in place of numerator and numerator you will write in place of denominator. Mean to say, for example, I have any number 5 upon 7. So reciprocal of 5 upon 7 is 7 upon 5. Means opposite, like this. 5 will come in denominator, 7 will go in denominator. Similarly, if I have 1 upon 3, so you will write 3 upon 1 or only 3. Similarly, if I have 2, suppose I want to write the reciprocal of this 2, so how will I write? You can consider here 1 in the denominator. Then you will write as 1 will come in the numerator and 2 will come in denominator. So this is the way to write down the reciprocal of a number. So similarly, what we have to do, that first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and the number which is given after division sign, you will write the reciprocal of this number. So this 3 upon 4 will become 4 upon 3. Now you can solve as you solved in the previous exercise. 3 1 time, 3 4 times 12, and 4 into 4 16 is the answer. Similarly, let's take another example. I am taking now its fourth part. This is 4 divided by 8 upon 3. So once again, same method. First number as it is, divide will become multiply, and here you will write down the reciprocal of 8 upon 3. So a reciprocal of 8 upon 3 will become 3 upon 8. 8 has come denominator, 3 has come in numerator. So now we can cancel 4 1 times and 4 2 times. Now we cannot cancel further these numbers. So let's multiply numerator by numerator. So 1 into 3 3, and here we don't have anything, so we can consider here 1. So 1 into 2 2. So 3 upon 2 is the answer. Or if you want to write this, you can also write in mixed number. So this will become as 1 complete 1 upon 2 by dividing 3 by 2. So this was the fourth part. Similarly, I am telling it's sixth part. So let me erase this. Sixth part is, this is 5 divided by 3 complete 4 upon 7. So before dividing these two numbers, first of all you will convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So 5 divided by as it is. Right now I am not going to divide these numbers, right? So first of all I am just converting this number into improper fraction. So that will be 7 3 times 21 and plus 4, so 25 upon 7. Now we will change this divide into multiply. So once again the same rule, that first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and here you will write down the reciprocal of this number. So 7 upon 25. Now cancel 5 1 time, 5 5 times, and we have 7 upon 5 or 5 complete 1. So this is the answer for question number 1, 6th part. So I am also telling one thing, that don't do this mistake that you are writing the reciprocal of first number. Like suppose if a question is given like 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4, and what you have done, if you are writing the reciprocal of first number like 2 upon 1, then multiply and 3 upon 4 as it is. So this method is wrong. Okay, we have to write the reciprocal only of the number which is given after the divide sign. जो divide sign के बाद जो number दिया है, केवल उसका ही reciprocal लिखना है, right? So this was the question number first. So let's move to the question number 2. Next is question number 2. So in question number 2, we have to just write the reciprocal of the given numbers. Like I'm just telling it's one part only. Suppose 3 upon 7 is given to us, and here we have to write down the reciprocal of this number, so that we all know. Just now I told you how to write down the reciprocal. So 3 upon 7 will become 7 upon 3. So this is the reciprocal of given number. So we have to also identify that which type of fraction is this, whether proper fraction, improper, or whole number. So as we all know that what are improper, proper, and fraction. So this one here you all can see that the numerator is greater than denominator. That means this is your improper fraction. Improper fraction. So you all can complete this. You all know very well how to do the reciprocal of the given numbers. So let's move to next question number 3. Next is question number 3. This is question 3 is find, once again find. First part is 7 upon 3 divided by 2. So children, as I told you that we always write the reciprocal of the number which is given after the divide sign. That means we have to write down the reciprocal of this number, not the first number. First number is always written as it is. So first number as it is, that means 7 upon 3. Divide sign will become multiply, and 2. As you all can see that we don't have any number in the denominator, so we can consider there 1. So if you don't have any number in the denominator, so you can write here 1. So that 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. Now let's multiply simply, as we all multiply. 7 into 1 7, and 3 multiply 2, that means 6. If you want, you can also write the answer in improper number. Similarly, I am telling it's fourth part of this question. This is also like 4, 1 upon 3 divided by 3. So as I always tell you that whenever you see the mixed number, convert this into improper fraction. So this is 3 4 times 12 plus 1 13. So first of all, I have just written this mixed fraction into improper fraction. This is as it is, and right now I have not done any change right now. Instead of writing this into improper fraction. Now let's start the route which we are following till now. That first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and 3 once again you will write 3, as I told you that we don't have a number, so you consider here 1 in the denominator. So 3 upon 1 will become 1 upon 3. Or you can also write directly 3 as 1 upon 3. Now just multiply 13 into 1 13, and 3 into 3 9. So this is the answer for the fourth part. So in this way you can solve the next remaining parts. Similarly, next move to question number 4. This is also same question, that 2 upon 5 divided by 1 upon 2. So apply the same method, that first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and 1 upon 2 we will write as 2 upon 1. Now let's multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 multiply 2 will become 4, 5 into 1 will become 5. Similarly, let's take fifth part of this question. This is 3 complete 1 upon 2 divided by 8 upon 3. So as I told you that whenever you see the mixed number, first of all convert that into improper fraction. So 2 3 times 6 plus 1 7, that means 7 upon 2, this as it is, and 8 upon 3. Now let's apply the method or rule, that first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and 8 upon 3 will become as 3 upon 8. Now let's multiply the numbers, at 7 3 times 21, and 2 8 times 60. Similarly, let's take the last part of this 8 part. This one is 2 complete 1 upon 5 divided by 1 complete 1 upon 5. Now once again the same thing, that convert the mixed number into improper fractions. So 5 2 times 10 plus 1, that means 11 upon 5, divide as it is, and 5 1 times 5 plus 1 6, that means 6 upon 5. Now let's apply the rule, that first number as it is, divide will become multiply, and 6 upon 5 will become 5 upon 6. Now 5 one time cancel by 5 one time, and here you will get 11 one time 11, and 1 into 6 6. So this was the solution for the last part of the question number 4. So I hope you all would have understood the exercise properly. Thanks for watching it.